What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Kevin, where I make videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday, guys, on personal finance and personal growth. But guys, with what's going on right now in my life, it's kind of impeding me to actually make those types of videos. Right now, guys, what's going on, if you have not seen my previous video, is of course I'm doing a renovation on my parents' house. Right now, guys, I've done the kitchen so far. So the kitchen's looking really nice, actually. Let me turn on the light for you guys can see the color. But there is the kitchen, guys. As you guys can see, this was kind of a very DIY project, so meaning these were all painted, but I installed the flooring, I put everything back together, the appliances, and it's all coming out really nice. But today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you a productive day in my life, guys, meaning I'm about to take up all this flooring, guys, because that is the next step to this whole entire project. Future, I would love to flip houses and possibly, you know, rent houses as well. So learning these types of skills actually will help me out in the future, and by knowing how to paint, possibly how to install flooring, and possibly is to do DIY projects. But today's agenda, guys, is to remove this entire flooring, and we're gonna get some people to come and install the flooring. So we are gonna actually remove the flooring, and this is how the old subflooring is. It's the old style bungalow houses, so it's not plywood, but we're gonna install plywood so you won't hear that. I don't know if you guys can hear that creaking noise that everyone hates. So guys, follow me along, and if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. This is the, you could say, like the dining area, and it's coming out pretty good. It's pretty easy to remove these types of flooring since they're not that thick, to be honest. I would say about 1/4 of an inch. This is the original flooring what the house had, and underneath is just the old type of subflooring. And I have my mom helping me remove all of the floor. I'm gonna go get my girlfriend to actually come help as well. But guys, don't worry, no matter what age or whether you're a female or male, just go out and do it. And sometimes you overthink things and you're like, oh, I don't know if I'm a professional, or I need to call a professional to come and do this type of work. Sometimes, guys, it's just getting things done, especially nowadays with YouTube being out there, guys. There's so much information on how to renovate your house, how to do this, how to do that in your car. It's really just up to you to start doing it. Of course, guys, if it comes down to things that are more structural, don't start removing walls that you don't know that you're gonna actually start removing, or don't start doing stuff on the foundation, because then your house will just go down and you just don't want that. So it's a few hours later, I would say 2 to 3 hours later, and that's what we've done so far. So we removed all the flooring. We're having a break now. My mom's eating a fruit salad, and so is my girlfriend. I don't know where she is. Oh, there she is. But that's what we've done so far, guys. And right now I'm actually nailing the previous, or the old subflooring, to the joists that are running across the house, so it don't squeak that much anymore. We did all of the hallway down here. Let me turn on the light a bit. And we just need the rooms now. So basically I gotta take out everything from the 3 rooms that are here, and so we can finally start taking out the flooring there. The good thing is that the bin came. So since the bin came, we could just put everything there right away. And guys, today as well, 3:15, I gotta go to the chiropractor. But guys, today, I remembered in the morning, but I actually forgot. So then she had to actually tell me once again, or remind me, because I totally forgot, because of course I'm doing this and I'm not thinking about the chiropractor. But I think a little bit alignment on my neck right now would actually help. So I'll take you guys when I go to the chiropractor. So we're heading out to the chiropractor to crack out my neck. Crack, 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 quack. Up my neck. I don't know what else is going on. I'm really full of energy, guys, and I haven't had like my second cup of coffee yet. Actually,
I haven't had one.
I've had 2 cups of coffee, and it's 3 o'clock. So someone give me a help. Give me a help. But guys, I actually did end up selling my previous car. car, my BMW 335. I sold it to someone about 2 weeks ago, I would say. And I was driving this car actually the whole entire winter, so it wasn't nothing new to me. But guys, of course, I do miss it because it was so much faster than this Volkswagen TDI. But guys, I cannot complain. It's a $500 car, guys. I'm not gonna stunt over here. But guys, what I'm doing with my money is actually gonna help me out in the future. So guys, you gotta sacrifice right now for the future. So don't let, you know, anything that's making you happy right now in the future, right now, affect you in the future and let you regret things that you could have done. So guys, if you guys have anything that you guys are, you know, just keeping or you staying with them because of trying to stunt on other people or trying to make your other people happy that actually just don't care about whether you have a nice car or whether you have, you know, $1,000 shoes. Guys, just focus on what makes you happy and what's gonna actually make you happy in the future, guys. And right now, in the present, right now I feel so much more relieved that I don't have to be paying so much money on insurance, on gas, and it just actually got me in a much better mood and actually feel much better.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Oh, no, please don't make that call. Me don't want no call, staying ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Ooh, boy.
Alright guys, so I just got to the chiropractor, so let me go crack myself and I'll come back. Alright guys, so it's already around 8 o'clock. Excuse me. I'm vlogging. But guys, it's already 8 o'clock. I started doing this thing at around 8 a.m. So it's already been around 12 hours. But of course I didn't work the whole entire 12 hours since I went. And then I have to go to Home Depot to order the plywood for tomorrow. So guys, tomorrow the goal is to do the whole entire plywood here. If you guys don't know what plywood is, you will know tomorrow. But guys, once again, thank you so much for watching today's video. Today's video is kind of short. I have to backtrack everything that I am doing, my videos that I normally do on personal growth and personal development. But guys, once again, look at this. I've never done flooring in my life. I've never done kitchens in my life. I did construction. I have done construction, and that's why I know how to use some tools. But guys, once again, it's not what you know, guys. Sometimes it's what you will start to learn in the whole entire process, guys. Life is a process, and of course, everyone is a beginner, and everyone will start learning at a different pace at a different time. So no matter what you're doing, guys, stay motivated, continue doing whatever you're doing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And wait, guys, wait, before you end this video and go watch any other video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. New videos coming out every Tuesday and Friday, guys. And if you guys want consistency, that's what life is all about, guys. And I'm still doing this, and I'm still trying to push out videos for you guys. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.
Please don't make that call. Me don't want no call, staying ready for the cause.